first question to the sir is how CAs are benefiting from the startups.
Yeah, greetings of the day from CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia. See, the startup is an economic activity where a founder of the startup or an entrepreneur has a sky-high ambition, has an innovative idea, has an improvement of some existing activity and development. So chartered accountants, I call CA as a CBA, complete business advisor, from conception to finish. So what is the type of entity one should form, whether LLP, whether private limited company or a partnership firm, because these three entities are eligible for startup benefits. So if one makes a proprietorship, one starts in HUF, so we begin with that. Then the initial registrations, of the legal compliance, PAN under income tax, TEN, TDS, GST registration. Then other laws like labor laws, shops and establishment, provident fund, ESIC. Then comes, FEMA laws, employment laws. And the most important is drafting of various contracts, various business documents, where it is the Indian Contract Act 1872, which we have mastered from our undergraduate level, SYBCom, and then in CA. So we do those things, then scaling up, marketing, the export of goods. So CA is no more, the accountant is there with the prefix chartered because of our birth as a community. But we are doing a business transformation.
Sir, have you ever experienced working with a startup, and how was your role as a CA?
It's a mind-blowing experience, because the entrepreneur of the startup has 2,400 hours in a day, has unlimited zeal, has such a mental faculty which God has given, which is one of the imagination and auto suggestion. So like a Bluetooth technology, if we work for a startup entrepreneur, then all our activities also become a startup. And then we come to know what we can do, like, startup goes up at a very high speed. So the internal control, very strong internal controls are required, very strong risk management is required so that there are no lapses anywhere. So it's a thrilling experience to work for a startup entrepreneur. And then IPO, crowdfunding, so many things are there in a startup business.
Sir, don't you think CAs are on advantageous position as they are well connected to the government in helping startups grow?
100%, not only government. First is in our blood. I say, I repeat at each forum, we have a professional skepticism. That means we have an inquiring attitude where we can reduce cost, where we can increase sales, where we can increase profit. There are 53 central ministries at India level. And in the states, we have a department. The person in charge is called a minister. So with our training, we are company secretary, cost accountant, MBA, legal knowledge, because the syllabus is a complete package in all aspects, accounting, tax. So a chartered accountant who is also having this skill of innovative, development, improvement is definitely a very strong mastermind to a startup entrepreneur.
So can you name three sectors where sectors in startups where CAs can really cash on?
One is a education startup. The second is the service activities pertaining to all aspects of life. And third is a technology. In the CA with their knowledge of the internal control. So when we work in a cyber environment, because most of the startup work in a technology environment, those cyber security, the application of the Information Technology Act, the GDPR, personal data protection, non-personal data protection, the digital forensics. So these are the areas where one can do wonder, and various unorganized activities, like the white revolution, the milk, though we call it a cooperative movement, but I would like to give a name of a scale up and startup entrepreneurship activity in the modern terminology of the same activity.
Right, very right. White Revolution itself was a startup business for many entrepreneurs.
Yes, it was scalable, it was generating wealth, it was giving employment, it was innovation, supplying to the whole country, it was improvement, it was development. So all the ingredient of startup was there.
Yes, sir. So presently, what unconventional role CAs are playing in startups?
See, the CAs, as I always say in each forum, the traditional roles have been accounting and financial disclosure, direct taxes and indirect taxes. In the startup, they are like where we can reach for the services provided by the startup business. So reaching out to the whole world and the internal control, risk management, compliance of all laws, not only direct and indirect taxes. Let it be industry specific and various government schemes, IPO, along with IPO, exit strategy, when to, free the private equity funders or those crowd funders.
Right. So how can the CA community can work towards encouraging more involvement in the startups?
CA community, there is a rule of 80-20. 20% of our effort gives 80% results. And the balance 80% of our effort gives 20% result. I tell each chartered accountant, if you leave 25% of this second bucket, which gives you only 20% result, then you will have 25% more time and the reduction in margin will be only 5%. That will also not happen. So you will have a time, God, universe has given so much power of imagination, of the innovative ideas to think out of box. So if we start applying our mind as a service provider in innovation, we can create wonder.
Thank you, sir, for joining us in today's discussion, CAs and startups, and definitely a lot of queries and questions which were in the mind of many professionals have got resolved in this short video. Thank you.
Thank you and greetings from CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia.